Hi, this is Guru Prabha from SNS College of Technology, Coimbatore. I am here to represent a business model canvas on DoorDash. I have chosen this DoorDash from a Crunchbase website, and my company is DoorDash, and its headquarters are located in San Francisco, and it is founded in 2013, and its services is food delivery, and the website is www.doordash.com. Why I have chosen this DoorDash is what it includes food tech and AI ML data analytics. Food tech comes under industry verticals, AI ML data analytics comes under innovation and technology. And here comes the BMC of DoorDash. At first, customer segment. Customer segment deals with whom are we creating value, who are our most important customers. So on the basis of customer, people with no time to give out, corporate business people who wish to treat without wasting time, people who don't want to cook. On the basis of restaurant without home delivery services, shops those who does not have seating areas, dashers who are also known as the drivers of the door dasher, job with flexible time, decide the job with good tips. Value proportion. Value proportion deals with what value do we deliver to the customers, which one of the customers problem are we trying to solve. Customers basis 24/7 service, track the delivery. On the basis of restaurant, extended customer base, easy, cheap and fast way of deliver orders. Small restaurant to work in a wider platform. Drivers, also known as dashers, source of employment, and they can get their personal feedback to enhance their individuality. And next comes the channels. Channels is what how are we reaching the customers? We are reaching customers by website and app. The next comes is customer relationship, how we maintain relationship between social media and 24/7 services. Key resources are the what are the resources available. Restaurant partnership and delivery process. Key activities are those which deals with what are the activities to make the model work. Choosing order on their wish, payment flexible, track order, delivery in proper time, management and creating innovation in particular app. And the last comes key partners. Key partners are deal with who are our buy partner, who are our key suppliers. Our key partners and suppliers are restaurant and delivery dashers. Cost structure deals with what are the most important costs inherent in our business model, what key resources or activities are more expensive. In here, salaries to permanent employees, payment to delivery person, and fuel expenses, app maintenance, and running cost. Next comes the revenue streams. Revenue streams are what are the sources for the revenue. Commission from each other, promotion for restaurants. So this is the BMC of DoorDash. Here comes the value proportion. I have taken top 10 mutual fund holding DoorDash in. And the next thing is US market share for previous 5 years. These are the key activities with a payment flexible and track order in the app. They have a flexible app in it. Thank you for giving this opportunity.